Hello everyone, my name is Michael Spanos and I'm a candidate for the GRI Stakeholder Council. The geographic area for my candidacy is North America, Europe, CIS, and the constituency is business. For the past 8 years I've been the founder and managing director of Eurocharity, and I've been professionally engaged in sustainability, corporate responsibility, reporting, measurement of sustainability through indexes, research, awards and initiatives. I've also been engaged in networking companies and NGOs with think tanks, foundations, government organizations and other stakeholders for sustainability issues. I'm also delivering high-level conferences and events in sustainability, international publications, and I'm also in training for sustainability for corporate executives. I hold an MBA and a diploma in production engineering and management, and I'm a US State alumnus in corporate accountability and governance. I believe that GRI now has a great challenge for the evolution and expansion to many companies through the latest European Commission proposal for mandatory implementation of reporting to large companies. I believe now that GRI must deal with issues such as the evolution of integrated reporting, the harmonization of requirement standards, and perhaps the evolution of sustainability accounting standards. These are just some of my motivations to join the GRI Stakeholder Council. I also believe that I could provide substantial input and know-how to GRI through the Stakeholder Council in key issues and strategy areas such as the evolution and expansion of GRI in small and medium-sized enterprises. My 14 years of experience dealing with SMEs could provide substantial input on how to implement the GRI framework in SMEs. Furthermore, I'm also engaged with key GRI stakeholders and partners such as the Global Compact. I am a member of a local network of Global Compact in Greece, and I'm also in close contact with the European Commission and officials since I'm also based in Brussels. My professional experience in many sectors of the economy, as well as my professional engagement with sustainability advisory, communications, networking and training could prove beneficial for the GRI, especially for expressing several interests of GRI stakeholders through its governance bodies, strategy and policies. Therefore, I would appreciate your vote for the GRI Stakeholder Council and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you very much.